Yes, Betty, as you can see, this is your chapter number 12, all by electricity for grade 6th. This is the first video for this chapter. Actually, this chapter is an extract from Jules Verne's novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. ये एक एक्सट्रैक्ट है जो आपका चैप्टर है वो कि एक नॉवल 20,000 लीग्स अंडर द सी से लिया गया है which is written by Jules Verne. So let us start this chapter. This story basically is about Dr. Aronnax, who is the narrator of the novel and who has to stay in a Nautilus. Nautilus actually is a submarine, and Dr. Aronnax, who is a scientist, he is amazed and astonished to see that how this submarine works, which is actually being made by the captain, and the name of the captain is Captain Nemo. So Captain Nemo in this story dictates, or you can say tells Dr. Aronnax about each and every devices and instruments which are in submarine, which runs on the secret agent called electricity. So now let's study this chapter. Nautilus was a submarine. What is the name of the submarine? Nautilus. Submarine क्या होता है बेटा? It's a water transport that sails under the water. And I was supposed to live my entire life inside this machine. Who was supposed to live his entire life? Dr. Aronnax. Dr. Aronnax को अपनी पूरी लाइफ उस सबमरीन के अंदर ही गुजारनी थी. Hence, it was only natural that I should learn as much as possible about as its functioning. So that is why I have to learn about its function, that how this submarine runs and works. I entered the captain's room. So first of all, to know about the functions, I entered the captain's rooms. And what is the name of the captain? Nemo. It had a severe, almost hermit-like appearance. Hermit-like appearance means, hermit उसे बोलते हैं बेटे, a person who for religious reasons lives alone without many possessions. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा उसके पास कुछ नहीं होता है वो person जो कि अकेला रहता है. ठीक है. A small iron bedstead, and what Dr. Aronnax saw in captain's room, in captain's chamber, he saw there was a bedstead. Bedstead means एक आयरन का चारपाई या बेड कह लो आप, बेड लगा हुआ था, एक टेबल था काम करने के लिए, a few pieces of furniture for his toilet. Toilet means dressing room. ठीक है, कि कुछ और फर्नीचर भी था वहाँ पे. Everything illuminated by indirect light. Illuminated means sparkle, जगमगाना. Indirect light उस चैम्बर में, उस रूम में थी. No comfort, only the barest of necessities. बहुत कंफर्टेबल चीज़ें नहीं थी वहाँ पे, सिर्फ जो ज़रूरी का सामान था वही अवेलेबल था. So what happens next? Captain Nemo indicated a chair. Please be seated. I sat down. He spoke as follows. Now, Captain Nemo made Dr. Aronnax sit on a chair, and now he started speaking. What he started speaking about? He started speaking about the devices, okay, or instruments which are in the submarine. So now in this paragraph we're going to read about that. Let's read them fast. Dr. Aronnax said, Captain Nemo, pointing to the instruments hanging on the walls of his room. These are the instruments needed for sailing the Nautilus. कि ये जितने भी instruments हमारे wall पे लगे हैं इसके कारण ही Nautilus चल रहा है. Nautilus means the submarine. Here as in the salon, I have them always in view, telling me my position and exact direction in the middle of the ocean. And because of these devices, I came to know about my position and direction. Some of them you already know, such as thermometer. कि thermometer है वहाँ पे एक जो कि temperature बताते हैं Nautilus का. एक barometer है जो कि measure करता है weight of the air. और एक इसी कारण हम weather में जो changes होते हैं, forecast means changes, prediction which are made change in the weather. The hygrometer है जो कि amount of moisture in the air register करता है. एक storm glass भी है who's mixed up means obviously name से clear हो रहा है. From the name itself it is clear that it will tell you about the arrival of the storms. फिर एक कंपास है which shows me the course to take, किस जहाँ कहाँ जाना है, किस दिशा में जाना है. और एक सेक्सटेंट है which indicates my latitude by the altitude. Latitude means बेटे आपको मैंने बताया था this is latitude and this is longitude. Okay, latitude and this is longitude, and altitude is height of the sun. The chronometers means जो आपको टाइम के बारे में बताते हैं, which enable me to calculate my longitude, and lastly the telescopes, कि मुझे सेक्शंस की हेल्प से मेरे एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन पता लगती है, लोकेशन पता लगती है कि वेयर आई एम. ओके, एंड देन आई एम हैविंग टेलीस्कोप ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई एम इन submarine which is underwater, so I don't know about day and night. So with the use of the telescope I can examine every point on the horizon. Horizon means where the earth and sea meets when the Nautilus is on the surface. I hope up to here you have cleared this. Thank you.